Okay. Well, if fate does want you to kill that crap sack, you're gonna need more than one stupid eyeball.
What's this?
What's it look like? Some jerk lost a bet with me in Contraxia.
He gave you his eye.
Nah, he gave me 100 credits. I snuck into his room later that night and stole his eye.
Thank you, sweet Robert.
Oh, I would have watched that. The only way I could sneak it off Contraxia was up my... Hey, we're here.
I don't think